Hey guys, it's Cosmic Cubing, and I have my second spice challenge. I don't know why I'm doing this. The little nitro gummy bear, the world's spiciest gummy bear. So I'm gonna be doing this a little differently. So there's a challenge where you go 5 minutes without drinking anything, and I'm gonna be doing that, but I'm gonna be solving my 7x7 in that meantime. So I'm gonna be eating it and then solving my 7x7, and I can't drink anything. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what to expect. It's just one gummy bear, and I paid like $12, $13 for it, so yeah, it's quite a bit of money. But let's get into this challenge. Okay, I got my laptop open, and I got the cubes scrambled, so there's no going back. So here's the gummy bear. It's really, really small. I'm getting nervous. I smelled it. It doesn't smell terrible, but it doesn't smell good at all. Yeah, and there's warnings all over the box saying, caution, hot, flammable, all sorts of warnings, warning you not to do it. But I'm gonna do it. This is probably the first time anyone has done this challenge for cubing. I can't find anyone else who's done it, but 1, 2, 3, let's go. Swallowed it. Not that bad. So far, I am fine. I do not need anything to drink. It's getting there. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh. Yeah, it's hot. This is really hot. It's building up. Oh my god, I messed up. It's not like terribly hot though, like I can handle it. I don't. I might have not chewed it for as long as I should have, but I definitely feel it. Doesn't actually taste that bad though. It's dying down a little bit. Okay, I'm shaking a little bit. Okay, I think it's going away. Not that bad. not that spicy. Like, it's spicy, but not like terrible. Okay, I think I finished this salt with no problem. A little underwhelming, actually. I expected it to be way spicier than it was. But maybe there's gonna be a stage 2 or something. Oh, yep, there's stage 2. Okay. Wow. Yeah, it's basically gone. Honestly, that was not that spicy at all. I'm already done with that 5-minute challenge, and didn't really feel that much. I expected way more from that. And done. Okay, 5 minutes, 52 seconds. So, my reviews, honestly, it's not that spicy at all. I recommend getting it. As you can tell, I barely reacted at all. I did the salt, didn't eat anything to drink. I still feel it a little bit. It's like tingling, but not that bad. So if you want to check out this gummy bear, I just bought off of Amazon. It's pretty expensive, but honestly, it's a good challenge, and I'm pretty happy I did it. The flavor was okay. It had a little bit of a cinnamon flavor. That's kind of how I describe it. But yeah, so not that bad, and I did the 5-minute challenge, and I don't think I need anything to drink. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post. Bye.